Here we will outline the steps to install Hashcat on Mac OS X. First, if you go to hashcat.org, you can download the latest build of Hashcat by clicking on latest build. So we can see here it's downloading. We must then go into our computer terminal by searching terminal. Just give it some time to load. So in the terminal, we're in our home directory. Directory is another term for a folder. And in our home directory, we can see all the different directories we have. We have our documents, we have our movies, our music. We're going to change into our downloads directory by typing in the command cd downloads. And to see the list of files in our downloads directory, we're going to type in the command ls. So we can see here that amongst perhaps your various other downloads, you should see hashcat.2015.08.20.tar. Please note that the date in the file you downloaded may be different from the one here. That's totally fine. It just means that you've downloaded a newer version of Hashcat. To unpack this tar file, type in the command tar space -xf and then the file name. Once this is completed, you can look into the list of files in this directory again, and you will see amongst them Hashcat now. We now have the Hashcat directory. For ease of access, we're going to move this directory into our home directory by typing in the command mv/downloads/hashcat into our home directory. Make sure you of course put mv for move. So now if we look into our downloads directory again, we see that this file has now moved. It's now gone from this directory. To return to our home directory, we'll type in the command cd. And now if we look into the list of files and folders in our home directory, we can now see that Hashcat is among them. Let's now go into the Hashcat directory by typing in the command cd hashcat. Once in this directory, you can see the list of all the files and directories that compose the Hashcat project by again typing in the command ls. You will need to install the CMake package onto your computer to build Hashcat. You can install this package to your computer using Homebrew. To install Homebrew to your computer, you need to simply type in this one command, which we can look at in the documentation here under installation. Right over here in step 11, we'll copy that, and going back into the terminal, we'll paste that command and enter it to install Homebrew. So a prompt may appear asking you if you'd like to install the command line developer tools. Please click install and agree to the licensing agreement to install these tools. This will take some time, but you need it in order to install Homebrew and therefore install the CMake package. Feel free to skip ahead in this video so that you don't have to see this whole downloading and installing process. So the software was now installed. So once these tools have been installed, you can continue installing Homebrew by pressing return. You might need to input a password. And now Homebrew is being downloaded and installed to our computer. With Homebrew installed, you can now install the CMake package by typing in the command brew install CMake. You must now do a build of Hashcat on your computer by typing in the command /build.sh space -O. With Hashcat now built on your computer, you can now run Hashcat in this Hashcat directory, since it has an infile.yaml file and a run.sh file, which are the two files necessary to run Hashcat. The command to run Hashcat is /run.sh. So we can see Hashcat running now. Once you have run Hashcat properly, please remove all the network save and analysis files created from this test simulation by typing in the following commands: remove data verse time, remove infile.yaml-generated, remove network state.dat, and remove -r output. Nuplot is the primary graphing utility used in this documentation. To install Nuplot, type in the command brew install nuplot -x11. This will take some time, so while we're waiting, if you look into install Gephi, Gephi is a program which we use a great deal in this documentation for visualizations of collected data. We highly recommend downloading and installing Gephi so that you can work with us on these visualizations. To download and install Gephi, simply go to Gephi's website by just typing in Gephi. And if you see here, you can download the program free, and we highly recommend it. It helps a great deal being able to visualize the networks you create using Hashcat. So if we go back to the terminal, we can see that Nuplot is still being downloaded and installed. As you can clearly see, Nuplot sometimes takes a great deal of time to download and install, so just be patient. There we are. So with NuPlot now downloaded and installed onto your computer, as well as Hashcat being downloaded and installed onto your computer, please proceed to the following pages in the documentation to learn how to fully utilize this program. Thank you for using Hashcat.